What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to update Ninebot MAX G30 to the latest version. Actually, now I've got very old version, I roll it back, so I want to be with the fresh updates and have all the fresh settings available for the scooter. So first what I need to do is to open Scooter Segway app here, then add device, Bluetooth scan. Even if it doesn't belong to you, you still can update it, even if it's not attached to your account. So as you see, Ninebot MAX scooter here, connecting. Usually first time you need to click one time on the light, wait until it will be connected. Alright, it's connected, then click on the settings, device info, go to check firmware, then you see all the newest firmware available and the changes. Click update now. Lock vehicle to continue. Okay, sure, lock it. Now it's locked, so the update process is started. Need to wait for, usually it's up to 5 minutes, and the update will be over. As you see, it's getting quite fast. So you update, as for now, the update for 2 things available. Usually it's up to 3 things like battery, Bluetooth, and the main board. And it's getting fast, so let's wait until over. I will be back to you. Okay, firmware updated, let's check it out. Bluetooth disconnected, now it's turned on, so everything working fine, it's reconnected back, working well and smoothly. And as you see, no more update, your scooter is up to date.